Welcome to 2-bedroom apartment in Marina Gate Tower 2. This is type 2J. At the entrance we have two closets, one including the washing machine and dryer and water heater, and second closet is the empty space that you can just design some shelf for your stuff. At right side we have guest toilet. This is a corner apartment, therefore bedrooms are detached and they're separated. At the entrance we have built-in closet, floor to ceiling glass, and partial sea view from your bedroom. With stand-up shower design in the ceiling, and with a very nice design double sink of bathroom. Once you step out of the first bedroom, you walk into the living and dining room. It's a corner unit, so all the walls made by glass. We have very high ceiling and floor to ceiling windows to maximize the view and the light. This is 1,255 square foot 2-bedroom apartment. Very small study room to put your laptop in a small office space. And then allow me to take you to the second bedroom. Bedroom also has floor to ceiling glass. Apartment comes unfurnished and furniture are only for sample. Second toilet is right behind the door with stand-up shower. Kitchen in this apartment is fully fitted. We have built-in refrigerator and freezer. We are using gas oven and hood. For the material are Italian made, and all the appliances are Teka, a German brand that we are using for our apartment. That was a quick tour of this 2-bedroom in Marina Gate Tower 2. We have a great offer and great post-handover repayment plan for this apartment. If you would like to book a viewing for this apartment or know what is the offer and payment plan we have, just comment me below, send me a message, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.